The Labs in Life at COSI is a collaborative idea on the part of the Ohio State University and COSI to bring research into the community. Because of our unique location at COSI, we're able to carry out research and utilize the public in our research studies, and also share research findings with the public. The unique thing about my research group is because I have a very large undergraduate population involved in the research process. And a unique aspect of this undergraduate research is that they're not just taking a little part of some funded study that's already been started. They're each carrying out their own individual research project, and they're involved in the entire research process. Then they analyze the data and present their findings. We've had several students present at the Denman Research Forum and also at national organizations.
What we do here at Labs in Life, besides doing our research projects, we're also constantly working out in the public with the community. We answer a lot of questions regarding physical activity, health, a lot of questions about the Bod Pod exhibit.
There was an article that was published in the Journal of American Medical Association that cited that boys ages 6 to 17 had the highest increasing weights in overweight and obesity, so a swell at the highest levels. What my study was I initially looked at their intent to exercise, so how much they actually exercise and how much they want to exercise in the future. And then I brought them into this lab and we did their Bod Pod testing, so we measured how much fat mass and fat-free mass they have. And then we took them to the Human Performance Lab and did a comprehensive fitness test on them. So we looked at their heart rate, muscular strength, flexibility, aerobic fitness, along with blood pressure as well. And so we then printed off those results as well as their BMI, and had a conference with the subject and their parents to explain to them, to educate them, to raise their body awareness about where they were against normative data.
My project is actually on barefoot running, which has been really big. I'm not sure if you've seen the Vibram shoes that people are wearing, but we're trying to test the efficiency of it and whether or not it actually is a better way to run and how it can make your run better. And that's what we're looking at. And we will have 15 participants come in, and we're going to have them run a 2-mile race, both in Vibrams and in regular running shoes. And we're going to compare different statistical data like RER and heart rate, and we're also going to test their time to completion and see if it actually makes them faster at running races.
What we are doing with our Connect study, similar to the We Fit study where we estimated volume of oxygen consumed and how hard the people were working when they were playing the Wii, we are going to do that with the EA Sports Active 2 and then compare the number of calories you burned in real life with your VO2 versus what the EA Sports Active 2 says you've done. I think it's a great location here at COSI to do my research specifically, because a lot of the kids that come through here are probably sedentary and overweight. We see them through the glass panels that a lot of them are overweight and probably need the exercise. So they see our research posters and they see us doing the research in the lab, and they can become interested not only in the research but in being more physically active.
Anybody can do research. You just have to be motivated to put in the hard work and the effort. And undergraduates have really unique perspectives that maybe faculty don't have. They have youth and they have some really great ideas. And being in a children's science museum, that's a great place to have youth and great ideas. And so it has worked out really well here.